Hello and welcome to my channel where I teach you how to improve your posture and help you to get out of pain with Feldenkrais exercises and some yoga as well. We all have a dominant side. We are either right-handed or left-handed. And as we go about life, unconsciously and automatically, we always use our dominant side. And we forget that we have another side of the body that can do some work as well. Now, if we go about life day in, day out, year after year, always using our dominant side, doing things like carrying heavy shopping, carrying maybe a heavy briefcase to work, carrying our handbags at the office or our desk, having everything on the side that is dominant to us. All of this is going to contribute to misalignments in the body and crookdness. You know of people that have a shoulder lower than the other, a leg shorter than the other. All of that comes from our partial habits. And using only one side of our body is part of our partial habits. So in order for us to help ourselves to create less misalignments and less crookedness in the body, we need to pay attention to the way we are using our body. And this is one thing that we need to do or we can do to help ourselves. And that is by using more of our non-dominant side. There are loads and lots of things that we can do with our non-dominant sides. Things like opening doors, opening cupboards, picking up something from the floor, using our mobile phone. We don't need to always use it on our dominant ear, our dominant side. You can use it on the other side as well. That will help us to come out of misalignments or help us to create less misalignments and less crookedness in the body. If we always do this, the body is going to create this pattern, and one day we get stuck here because not only we do this, we also might stand like this, and when we are on the phone at the desk at work, we also might do this, and so on. So if we are always doing this, you can see how the body is going to do this, and one day we get stuck here. Of course, this doesn't happen from one day to the other. It takes many years in the making. But we are constantly doing this, so one day we'll get stuck here. So that is why it's important, if we want to avoid all this crookedness, we need to pay attention to the way we are using our bodies. And one thing that you can do is use more of your other side of the body. At the desk, put everything on the side that is not dominant and create a habit to use your non-dominant side. And that will help you to create less misalignments and less crookedness. And this is my tip for you today. And if you want to learn more about how to go about life with good posture, to prevent a hunched back, to keep away from back problems, and of course to look good, have a look at my posture master class. I'll leave the link below. Bye bye now.